Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to set up Cibest Projector. Firstly, for Android phones, use an MHL adapter. Plug one end to the adapter into your phone's charging port and plug the HDMI end of the adapter to the projector's HDMI port. Turn on the projector and select HDMI as the input source. Your phone screen should now be mirrored on the projector. Now, turn the Cibest projector, choose Cast as the input source and select or connect the projector to your home Wi-Fi network. The phone does not need to be on the same Wi-Fi network as the projector, but having them on the same network can help. Open Settings on your phone, connect the device, then Cast, or find Smart View on Samsung devices. Select the projector's signal and connect. Once connected, your phone will screen displaying the projector. Your phone will display the screen on the projector. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.